Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and tools so you won't stall later. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer. Once done, verify the backup finished. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use the original Lightning cable and a known good USB port to avoid connection faults. Also, update iTunes or Finder and install system drivers. This prevents communication errors. With those essentials ready, you can enter recovery or DFU mode safely and proceed to the repair steps. You'll now move into recovery or DFU mode to let the computer fix software issues. For most models, press the specific button sequence, follow model prompts, and watch for the recovery screen. If recovery mode fails repeatedly, enter DFU mode, which reloads firmware at a deeper level. Once connected, choose Update in iTunes or Finder first to preserve data. If update fails or error 53 persists, you must select Restore. This step addresses corrupted firmware or authentication mismatches, causing the error. You finish by restoring data and verifying biometric functions. Once the restore completes, set up the phone and test Touch ID or Face ID immediately to confirm pairing integrity. If error 53 persists, make sure the home button, digitizer, and connectors are original and properly paired. Screen replacements or damaged sensors can trigger authentication failures. If hardware pairing appears compromised or you can't resolve the fault, contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider. Because error
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.